Scroll through Pakistani Instagram these days and you will hear some very familiar sounds.
लाज़िम है कि हम भी देखेंगे आओ बच्चों सैर कराएं तुमको पाकिस्तान की
ऐसे दस्तूर को सुबह बेनूर को मैं नहीं मानता.
Chances are you grew up hearing these tunes, and so did your parents and grandparents before you. But have you ever wondered what these songs are and why they remain relevant today? Aao bachchon sair karaएं तुमको पाकिस्तानी Instagram की.
जो लौहे अज़ल में लिखा है
मैं भी खौफ नहीं तख्ते-ए-दार से मैं भी मंसूर हूँ कह दो अग़ियार से.
Ever since the partition, Pakistanis have expressed their patriotism by resisting oppressive forces who have wielded power unjustly and used violence to crush the democratic aspirations of ordinary people. And since the beginning, poetry, music, public recitation, and theatrical performances have been an integral part of Pakistan's resistance tradition. Poets such as Faiz Ahmad Faiz and Habib Jalib crafted language that was intensely political without being trapped inside just one political moment. Their words addressed the specific dictatorships, censorship, and the economic injustices of their time. But they also speak a timeless language of grief and the stubborn refusal to surrender hope. Habib Jalib was a left-wing activist and revolutionary poet. Born in 1928, he bore witness to the betrayal of the democratic promise of Pakistan and criticized the oppression and ineptitude of its leaders, both military and civilian. Despite being arrested and jailed multiple times, Jalib wrote words which resonated with ordinary Pakistanis. His words remain just as relevant today.
ऐसे दस्तूर को सुबह बेनूर को.
Similarly, Faiz Ahmad Faiz, born in 1911, was a socialist poet who was arrested on several occasions over the course of his life and spent years in exile during Zia-ul Haq's military dictatorship.
निसार मैं तेरी गलियों पे मैं वतन पे जहाँ चली है रस्म के कोई न सर उठा के चले.
But even when Faiz Sahab's work was censored by the state, his poetry found its way into the mainstream with popular compositions of his poems, sung by artists such as Iqbal Bano and Nayyera Noor. His evocative lyrics gave shape to feelings that were otherwise difficult or risky to express.
बोल किला बाज़ात है तेरे, बोल जुबां अब तक तेरी है, तेरा सुतमा जिस्म है तेरा, बोल कि जान अब तक तेरी है.
Now, the words of Jalib and Faiz are being repurposed by a new generation of resistance. Instagram reels of protests and rallies are set to the poetry, and Faiz and Jalib are reinterpreted.
बोल के लब आजाद है तेरे बोल जुबाब तक तेरी लाजिम है कि हम भी देखेंगे.
Haider Saif, an Indian singer, composer, and scholar of history, has created renditions of famous resistance poetry with songs such as Chand Roz Aur Meri Jaan, Zulm Mit Jata Hai, and Zanjeerein, which especially gained popularity in India during the Cockroach Janta Party protests.
आज भी मेरे ख्यालों की तपिश जिंदा है, मेरे गुफ्तार की देरी न रविश जिंदा है.
In addition to these anthems of resistance, more traditional or state-commissioned so-called patriotic songs are also making a comeback on social media, but this time in the form of satire. For instance, Aao Bachchon Sair Karaएं Tumko Pakistan Ki, originally from the soundtrack of the 1956 Pakistani film Bedari and sung by the infamous playback singer Salim Raza, this song was a direct imitation of the Indian song Aao Bachchon Tumhe Dikhaएं from the 1954 film Jagriti. It is now being used ironically in reels featuring themes of corruption, broken infrastructure, and oppressive state tactics.
आओ बच्चों सैर कराएं तुमको पाकिस्तान की, इसकी खातिर हमने दी कुर्बानी लाखों जान की।
पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।
Satire doesn't require much artifice to be effective. It just places an empty slogan beside a stark reality and lets the contradiction do the work. A patriotic song might play under a rant about the government. A childhood jingle plays under videos of broken roads. A meme beats an editorial to the point and often makes it better.
شہر میں گاؤں میں دھوپ میں چھاؤں میں گھر میں سفر میں اور دفتر میں بے دودھ کا تازہ مزہ ہے خستہ خستہ اور میٹھا ہے سب سے آگے سب سے اوپر
More on the nose is the song Mera Gadha Gadhon Ka Leader Hai from the Indian film Meherban, released in 1967.
میرا گدھا گدھوں کا لیڈر کہتا ہے کہ دلی جا کر.
This borrowing is not surprising. Across India, Bangladesh, and the wider region, poetry and music have been long-standing tools for political resistance and class struggle. A poem written under one government returns during another crisis in another country. Protesters of the Cockroach Janta Party use different renditions of Faiz Sahab's poetry during their rallies, while Iqbal's poetry inspires millions in Iran to stand against imperialism. The power expands beyond the region. New York City Mayor Zohran Mamdani famously used Faiz Sahab's Bol and Mujhse Pehli Si Mohabbat during his mayoral campaign in 2025.
بول کے لب آزاد ہیں تیرے، بول زبان اب تک تیری ہے، تیرا ستبان جسم ہے تیرا، بول کی جان اب تک تیری ہے.
ظلم پھر ظلم ہے بڑھتا ہے تو مٹ جاتا ہے، ظلم پھر ظلم ہے بڑھتا.
سب تخت گرائے جائیں گے.
چولہا مٹی کا، مٹی تالاب کی، تالاب ٹھاکر کا. بھوک روٹی کی، روٹی باجرے کی، باجرہ کھیت کا، کھیت ٹھاکر.
As new generations of Pakistanis are introduced to the works of Jalib, Faiz, and others, the meaning and mythos of their works expand to encompass new struggles and new heartbreaks. The question remains, یہ داغ داغ اجالا، یہ شب گزیدہ سحر، وہ انتظار تھا جس کا، یہ وہ سحر تو نہیں، یہ وہ سحر تو نہیں جس کی آرزو لے کر چلے تھے یار کہ مل جائے گی کہیں نہ کہیں. فلک کی دشت میں تاروں کی آخری منزل، کہیں تو ہوگا شب سست موج کا ساحل، کہیں تو جا کے رکے گا سفینہ غم دل. پاکستان زندہ باد.